maximum, her minimum. Okay, so what are the thing you need to know? So last week you learned it out the maximum, minimum. So today I will give you another type of the question. Okay, so what type of the question you need to study? Okay, 看先. So example. Okay, we focus on the maxi and the minimum. So example, I will give you a closest rectangular tank. So it's made to fill 9 meter cube of water. The length of the tank is twice of the breadth, okay, of its. Find the dimension of the tank. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if I give you this kind of question, how you want to solve? I will say that a closest rectangular tank. 哎，什么意思叫 closest? Huh? So if the closest rectangular tank, right? How many surface you have? The first thing you have to ask yourself. 有几个表面？六个。So means that rectangular tank you draw is something like this. Okay, so 6 surface. So they say the length is twice the breadth. So this one, let's say it's a x. This one will be 2x lah, because it's twice. Twice means 2倍，明白吗？ So because they are not mentioned the height, I will write down as a h. Okay, now find the total. Okay, find the dimension means that you need to find what is the length, what is the breadth, what is the height. Okay, they give you one more information. This tank they can fill up the water is 9 meter cube, right? So means that I know that my volume is equal to 9. So volume means length time, breadth time, height. So it's equal to 9. So 2x times x times h equal to 9. So this one you are getting the answer 2x squared times h equal to 9. So because I want to try to make it as all the value become the x. So this one 9 over 2x squared. Okay. So I already know that this one is 9 over 2x squared. Okay. So now the total surface area is a minimum. So means that I want to find my total surface area. So A equal to, I know that front and the back, I have the two face. So for the front, 2x and the height is 9 over 2x squared. Okay? Plus with left hand side and the right hand side. So I call it as a left right. So this one is a x and the 9 over 2x. Plus with Another one more, I need to find there's a up and the down. So this one is a 2x and the x. OK， 所以这些你都要知道。所以当有了这个过后，你要怎样去找呢 ？How you want to find out？ OK， 所以有了这个后 ，now we need to count. So this one surface area, OK, 2 times length time, and then breadth. 长乘宽啊 ，so this one 2 times x times, and then 2 times 2x, and then x. So it means that you're getting the answer is berapa. Okay. So this one cut, you left the x. So become 18 over x plus. Okay, this one cut, left x. So 9 over x plus 4x squared. So your A will be 27 over x. 你们的 JD 字形的 paper 都很喜欢出这种题目的，一题10分呢。Okay, so after you having this one, now we try simplify. So A equal to 27. This one you can bring up. Okay, after you do this, because you need to find the value of the x, right? How to find? So after you form the formula, right? How you want to find the x? Do you have any idea? 海珍，接下来步骤要怎样做？他要教你找出长是有多长，宽有多宽。If x equal to 0, salah啦。
DADX 等于0啊。
So you see the minimum, right? When you see the minimum, I mentioned before, your dy dx must be equal to 0. Yes or no? So because they don't have the y, they only have the a and the x. So do the dA dx. 27 times minus 1 minus 27, and then power minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 4 times 2 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. So you get the 27 over x squared. Okay? So because they have minimum. Okay, minimum, maximum, or turning point, your DADX must be equal to 0. 记得这个 keyword. 我跟你们讲过很多次了，你一定要记得这个 keyword. Okay, so your DADX equal to 0. Your DADX negative 27 over x squared plus. Okay, 所以从这边shift over. So tukar tempat over 8. So this one you are getting the answer 3 over 2. Okay, Since you know that this one is a 302, you can do the final conclusion. So what are the final conclusion you can do? Because I want to find the dimension, therefore your length should be, since it's a 2x, so 2 times 302 become 3 cm. They show you is a meter, so 3 meter. And then your quantum, so it's a x. So x means become 302 meter. And then your height, you substitute inside, okay, 9 over 2 bracket. So your answer should be berapa? 2 meter lah, okay, because I don't have enough space. So you sub yourself lah. 可以吗? So this one will be the exam paper lah, okay, your exam paper. So they will came out this kind of thing. So be careful. Okay, I give you the second question. So faster copying, copy 给它完先，然后我再给第二题的 pattern。OK 网课的学生不要只是按 screenshot 了，你一定要抄，记得左手控制右脑，右手控制左脑。Okay, right, come. The diagram show an invitation card. So it is made out of the rectangles with the length of the YCM. So this one is a rectangle. So with the length is a YCM. And then at the both end, So they are the equilateral triangle, 所以等边三角形 with the length of the side is x. Okay, if the perimeter of the diagram is equal to 26, so you want to show that the area is, okay, it means that you want to show the area is a maximum when x equal to this. So how to do? 能做吗？来 do you have any idea and do it? OK， 来，我们就有请男生代表先啦。OK， 来，男生代表谁呢？军光。Hello， 军光 ，How to do it？
好，等一下，我在抄题目。
OK，good。First, I give you 2 minutes to copy down the question. 2 minutes to copy down the question. 来，那些学生除了军光，还有谁有 idea 给我的 ？OK， 来，所以第一个他给你 perimeter 先找出来 ，so we just find out the perimeter. So I have the 2y and 4x, right? So it means that I'll write down 2y plus 4x equal to 26. Since this one they show you the x means that I don't want the y, so I'll try to eliminate the y lah. So shift over. So divide by 2. So this one shift until only the y. 把它弄成只是 y. So I already know that the y equal to 13 minus 2x lah. So because they show you that the area is maximum, so we need to find the area. Okay, we need to find the area. Okay, so when you want to find the area, right, how? So it means that this one is a rectangle plus this one actually they show you like this. 可以吗？ Okay, or the one you can do like this. 可以了，随便。Okay, so this one the length is 13 minus 2x, and then this one is a x, so x times 13 minus 2x. Okay, plus with 2 times triangle 1 over 2 times height, and then times 1 over 2 times base. Then I need to know the height, right? So the height I can using Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem how? This one minus this one. 1 over 2 x squared. Okay. So your A will be equal to, so cut, left the x. Okay, so x squared minus 1 over 4. One minus 1 over 4, 3 over 4. Okay. So power 1 over 2 lah. So 3 over 4 square root. X 2 cut left the x. Okay, then count it out. So means that these two you can group together lah, because x squared is the same, or you can using the calculator and plus out lah. Okay. Now what they want? Prove that this area is a maximum. So you want to prove. So if you want to prove it's a maximum, so this one your dA dx must be equal to 0. So 13x become 13 plus. So this one is a number, or maybe this one you can simplify. Okay, square root 3, this one square root 4 become 2. So this one become the 2x. So cut, square root 3. Okay. So your dA dx, and then you do one more time d2a dx2, because you want to show that one is a maximum. Differentiate 13, 0. Differentiate this one, square root 3. Differentiate this one, you get minus 4. So square root 3 minus 4, you'll get the answer should be negative value. Okay, sin d2a dx2 less than 0. So therefore, your okay, so this one will be answer. So I already mentioned before, when the d2y dx2 is more than 0, we call minimum. d2y dx2 less than 0, we call maximum. Still remember or not? For the notes lah. So this one will be the second example. Okay. And then now I will try to give you the third example 啦。这个你们应该抄了哦。抄了没有？你们？还是我先给你们2分钟填先，快点，2分钟 copy 下来。怎样 ？OK 吗？嗯。 area of two triangle 可以用 x square 吗？不能，因为三角形的面积永远都是1/2底乘高，所以你先要自己去找出它的高度。它没有给你高度，你要自己去找。所以你 x square 和 square root 3/4，x square 的答案是不同的。所以你只要你拿我的这个 dAdx， 你拿它的0，你会 prove 出那个答案。也就是说，你会拿到 x 等于13/4减 square root 3。假如你是用 x square 的话呢，你收不到13/4减 square root 3呢，所以你一定要找出高度先。来，我们的凯珍 OK 吗？对，你们的学校将会出的 pattern 呢。来 faster. If you finish copying, so write down done, D-O-N-E, then I can continue. If you finish copying, write down done. OK， 来 come，x 等于13/4减3 ，no need proof。你要收它出来可以，因为你可以做多一个步骤 dAdx 等于0。因为他讲你要收它的 area 是 maximum， 所以你只要做到 d2AdX2 等于0小 negative 就是答案了。OK。I give you the next example。所以你看他们会越出越奇葩的 question 呢。So example 3 so they give you is what? A wire of length so it uses to make
你要给看镜了。
12 sides of rectangular box. Okay, where the length is twice it brief. Okay, so if the A proof B Determine the dimension of the box so that the volume is maximum. Okay, so can you do it or not? If I give you this kind of the question, 来，能做吗？假如我给你这种题目，开亨的 line 应该不 stable。那么 so if I give you this kind of the question, right, how you want to solve it out? So a wire of the length 360 is used to make the 12 side of the rectangular. Okay, so it means that you have to try to draw it out how it look like the rectangular box, and then you have to fill up what is the length, breadth, and the height. So after that, now you want to try to prove the volume that's equal to this. So how you want to solve? Okay. So I give you 2 minutes faster, copy down and try to solve out 2 minutes. 刚刚好，他跳出去了，再进来就刚刚好2分钟。快点 ，try 看有能吗？